Well, hello, welcome. I want to congratulate you. I want to congratulate you for being in the right place at the right time. But more importantly, I want to congratulate you for taking the opportunity to evaluate a company, to do your due diligence, to validate whether or not this is an opportunity for you with Karatbars International. My name is Mark Pyers, and over the course of the next few minutes, I'm going to be the moderator of this presentation. Now, my background is I've been a tax preparer for the last 22 years, and my wife and I, we've actually been tax coaches for the last 15 years. Guys, we've been able to save families, high-level executives in corporate America, millions of dollars over the course of the last 15 years by sharing with you what you're going to learn today. Now, we're going to be evaluating Karatbars International and its VIP package. What is the cost for you to get started? And I want to assess something with you. Do you have health insurance? Do you have life insurance? Do you have car insurance? Do you have home insurance, renter insurance? See, we have insurance on everything, but I want to ask you this question. Do you have financial insurance? If you lost your job today, would you be able to pay your bills? Would you be able to sustain the lifestyle that you live? If you got sick today, or maybe your spouse got sick, God forbids. Guys, we're not wishing anything bad on anyone, but all we're saying is, isn't it better to have a plan B and not need it than to need a plan B and not have it? See, in 2008, many families lost their jobs. Many families lost their retirement accounts because they didn't know what you guys are learning here today. And so I don't want to rob you of an opportunity to make an intelligent decision to change your life with this great company, Karatbars International. Currently operating right now in 121 countries. You know, what would it feel like if you woke up tomorrow morning and realized that you had more money in your bank account because someone in China purchased a product that you shared with them that protects their asset, their number one asset. And what is that? Their financial wealth. And so, guys, I don't believe in hype. I don't believe in pipe dreams. I don't believe in, winning a lottery tomorrow. What I believe in financial education and teaching families what is not taught in the school system. That is, my friend, how to get off the plantation of taxation and how to get out of the control of big corrupt corporations, okay? And so Karatbars International gives you the opportunity to have inflation-proof income and to have true financial freedom. And I'm going to prove it to you. So ladies, put your purses away. Guys, put your wallets away. There's nothing here to buy in this presentation. I want to show you that all roads leads to VIP and how you cannot lose money by getting involved with Karatbars International. And so please pay very close attention, guys, because this could literally change your life financially. Let's take a look at this. Okay, guys, so over the next few minutes, I want to ask you to do me a favor. I want you to put on your business hat. I want you to think like a CEO of a company. Because, see, when you get started in Karatbars International, you're not joining a money-making opportunity. You're not joining a get-rich opportunity. My friend, you're actually establishing yourself a home-based business. Hopefully you guys have taken a look at the video why you want to have a home-based business. Guys, it will open up tremendous amount of tax savings, even on income from your job. And so in saying that, I want to match apples to apples to keep this fair. Now we're going to assess Karatbars VIP package. Remember, guys, all success in Karatbars leads to VIP. All the roads to financial freedom leads to VIP. So let's go ahead and assess what do you get in your VIP package. Now I want to relate this to, let's say, you starting a franchise, a McDonald's franchise. But unfortunately, in a McDonald's franchise, you're going to spend about $500,000, maybe $250,000, and all you're going to get is the rights to market, a Big Mac, fries, and a shake. And you're going to have to pay for those, right? Let's look at what you get in Karatbars International's VIP package. So let's say the franchise price, guys, is $2,175. You're going to get 3 grams of gold. You're going to actually get an asset returned back to you in the package. You're going to get what's called 100 euro bonus cards. You're going to get 20 of those. We're going to tell you what the value of this package is in a moment. You're going to get 10 3% bonus cards. We're going to discuss that as well. You're going to get brochures. Now, guys, the definition, IRS definition of a business is an activity with the intent to make a profit. I remember representing a client in an audit, and the IRS asked them, do you have any brochures or flyers to share with customers about your business? And the guy said no, and the IRS said, well, it sounds like you're in a hobby. Well, guys, you're going to have brochures to establish that you're in a home-based business with the intent to make a profit. And guys, more importantly, you're going to get 20% direct commission every time you go out and outbless some family member or friend with this information. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the true cost is for an employee not to get involved in Karatbars International. And so in order for an employee to take home $2,175, they must pay the taxes on it first, federal taxes and state taxes. And so in this illustration, we're calling this young man here John. And you can see he's got his pockets pulled out, because when you're paying 25% in federal taxes and 10% in state taxes, you're not taking home very much money, right? And so John, in this case, again, he's in a 25% federal and a 10% state, which is a combined 35% tax bracket. So as you can see at the bottom, John takes home $2,175 after he pays 35% income taxes. So $2,175 times 35%, simple math, John loses $761.25 because John did not join Karatbars International. Thus, his $2,175 were taxed. Now, on the other hand, Robert decided, you know what? This Karatbar thing sounds pretty good. You know, it's got gold, and I need to be saving in something other than paper dollars, because I know my money is not going to be worth what it's worth today 10 years from now when I get ready to retire. And so unlike John, I should say, the employee, when he purchased the VIP package at $2,175, he was able to write that off on his taxes as business start off. So let's look at this. Robert's in a 25% federal tax bracket, such as John was. He's also in a 10% state tax bracket. So Robert purchased the VIP package at $2,175. The $2,175 is a tax write-off under startup costs. So $2,175 minus 35% taxes, in Robert's case, equals $761.25 tax saving, cash in his pocket. So Robert's already ahead of the game, right? So what is the all-in cost for his VIP package? Well, as you can see, if you minus the tax savings of $761.25, Robert actually only paid $1,413.75 for his package. Now I want to share with you the true value of that package. So what is the real cost for someone getting started in a Karatbars home-based business? Let's look at this. So remember, Robert received 3 grams of gold valued at $50 each. That's a $150 value. So we're going to minus that from his package, right? Robert also received 20 of the 100 euro bonus cards. Guys, currently today, based off the euro value, that is a cash value of $114 per card times the 20 he got. Guys, that's $2,280. More value than what he paid for the package. I hope you guys got that one, okay? Robert also received 10 3% bonus cards. Each one of these cards is good for 1 year. It saves you 3% off of all of your gold purchases in Karatbars International. Guys, the value on that is priceless, all right? So Robert also received, on average, watch this now, because he understood, he put his business hat on, he saves on average now $30 a day in home-based business tax deductions times 365 days a year. At a minimum, Robert saves $10,950 a year in additional tax deduction, or $912.50 per month. Guys, regardless of his success in his Karatbars business. See, Robert's able to write off a portion of his rent, his lights, his water, his gas. If he owns a mortgage, he's actually getting a bigger percentage off the mortgage interest that he's paying. He's able to write off 57 cents per mile. He's able to go out to dinner and talk about Karatbars and get a 50% write-off on meals. His traveling now is being tax deductible. Guys, it is incredible to have a home-based business. And so what is the true value when you match apples to Karatbars International business opposed to an employee? There is no comparison, my friend. There is no comparison. So the real cost for someone to get started in Karatbars home-based business, my friend, the cost of the VIP package is zero, because the value is extraordinary. So having a Karatbars home-based business, you just found out, saves you money. It doesn't cost you money. Karatbars has a unique hidden opportunity where families are freeing themselves from debt, my friend. How about you? See, the more you know, the less you owe in taxes. Karatbars Gold is real money and nothing else. I'm going to leave you guys with this. Numbers don't lie. Since the death of the Great Depression in 1932, the dollar has lost more than 98% of purchasing power. But gold has soared more than 4,300%. Here's facts. If you had $100,000 in cash in 1932, it is now worth a merely $2,000 in purchasing power, while $100,000 in gold in 1932, my friend, is worth today, February the 20th, $4.4 million. Karatbars opportunity is an opportunity unlike no other. Getting involved in Karatbars, you can never, ever, ever be at risk unless you decide to do the latter and become John. And so, my friend, I want to encourage you to get back with the person that shared it with you. Pick your package, because it makes absolutely no sense for you to simply lose money in taxes because you, my friend, couldn't make a decision to pick a package. Start with us in Karatbars International and start to create true financial freedom, my friend. Start your Karatbars home-based business now, because every day that you do not have a home-based business, it is costing you a minimum of $30 or $10,000 a year or $900 per month. On behalf of myself, our Karatbars family, and my beautiful wife, my friend, we say get back with the person that shared it with you. Join the family, and we'll see you, my friend, on the road to financial freedom. God bless you guys.